Hello, welcome to Biocasity. Today I'm going to teach you how to get rid of clog from your car roof to avoid water leakage when it's raining or when you're washing your car. Because if you don't attend to this, your entire interior system can get really messy. As you can see, this it's getting really messy. Okay, and when you do that, if you don't do that, I beg your pardon, you get stained, the interior gets stained, and rust begins to affect the metal part of the car. I mean, brown hydrated iron trioxide. Okay, like this car, for instance, you open the glass, then let's see how it looks like up there. Position properly. Good. So, as you can see, this is the rust I'm talking about. It's affecting the car extensively. So my observation here, this car is clogged. The drainage system here is clogged. There's supposed to be a water outlet here and the water outlet here at the passenger side, but they're all clogged with dirt. So what we need to do, we need to clean the car first. We clean all of these thoroughly. Then begin to open the clog. You can when you successfully do this, the system, the water will flow properly. So you can see rust is still affecting this part of the car and this part of the car too. Okay, good. All right, I will start by cleaning the car. See that? Can you see that? Clean the car. Clean. Remove that. You get water. So, okay. Trying to clean this old stuff. It's really messy. See that? I would suggest you do this from time to time. Let's say every 6 to 3 months, just check and clean this system, the drainage system up here, so that the dirt can be removed. So that's it. We're still on it. Just trying to clean the dirt from here. Can you see the dirt here? I have a call on my other phone. So I need to put that off. The work continues. I'm trying to dry the water now. I'm trying to dry the water. Look at that. This is serious. This is the cause for the leakage in the car. You clean. Some persons will also prefer you use warm water to do your cleaning. All right, I'll need to change the water. I need to change the water, so I will need to pour those ones away. Then you get a brush, a toothbrush, a bad one, the one you don't use anymore. You get it, then you get it to do a thorough cleaning up here. Do a thorough cleaning up here. The rust has really gone far, and the damage has already occurred. But thank God we are trying to reduce this, trying to clean it. Still trying to clean. Still trying to clean. Look at clog, look at death. I'm still trying to clean. Tell me your suggestion, your observation in the comment section. Now you get a rag, the cleaning continues. We are still cleaning. I'm still cleaning. This is serious. I'm still cleaning. I'll suggest you watch to the end so I can show you. I don't know, right now you can see the clog, you can see the drainage here. It's clogged with dirt. I will show you how to get rid of the dirt from in here. There's one here, there's another one here, but I need to clean to get to this point. It's still covered with dirt, I'm still on it, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. Still cleaning. Rust has really damaged this part of the car. So to avoid your car getting to this point, to this extent, clean as often as possible. I would suggest every 3 months. You climb up here, you do an extensive cleaning job. Do an extensive cleaning job. So my fingers can't go through as I would, so I'll use this brush. I'm still cleaning. You see this? I'm trying to locate the other clog, the other drainage spot that's been clogged. Well, everywhere is pretty dirty, pretty dirty, really dirty. Can you see this? Please don't let your car get to this point before you attend to it. The sooner the better. A stitch in time saves 9. A stitch in time saves 9. This is really dirty. Don't know how to. Okay, I can't say I don't know how to. I have to find a way to solve every challenge that comes my way. Look at the second one. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's over here. Can you see it? It's over here, but it's still covered. But I'll show you the most effective way to get rid of this. You see now, I just poured water inside, but the water is not flowing. Water is not flowing because it's clogged. You get? Same here. I just poured water now, but it's not flowing because it's clogged. So I will need to dry the water. I will need to dry the water. To dry the water, and it's about to rain. It's cloudy out here. It's about to rain, so before the rain comes, I will need to dry the water. Before it gets rainy, I will need to dry off the water. So I have a brush again. I need to get my brush, but it's dirty. As you can see, very dirty. Everywhere is messy. Very messy. Very, very messy. So I will do this. I will get this. So I will get this. Get rid of this. So just watch. I'm about to get you a very interesting tool. I want to introduce a very interesting tool to you, so you can easily use it to get rid of this stuff. Okay, this is a wire here. This is a wire here. This is a wire here. So I will use it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Be careful so you don't puncture the pipe, the rubber pipe inside. Be very careful. Same here. Same here. Okay, same here. So we are still on it. We are still trying to get rid of this. So when you do this, let's try if there is progress. Let's see. Okay. See the water flowing. Wow. Did you hear that? Wow. The water is already coming out from the ground. You can see the water flowing down. You see the water flowing down. You can see the water flowing down, right? See? Water from here straight. You can hear the sound. You can see water flowing down from there. Okay, good. So this pipe is free from dirt right now. Let's free this pipe as well. Well, because the car is slant, so this one can't go, but regardless, it's still flowing. Okay, this is how to get rid of clogs from your car to make sure you don't get stained. Then you do a thorough cleaning, and that is it. Do a thorough cleaning, and that is it. So now this car is super. This car is in good condition, no more leakage. All I need to do is to clean up all the dirt and free the waterway so I don't get issues like this any longer. Okay, At this point, I would suggest you stay tuned to subsequent videos from Biocasity, where I can educate you on how to maintain your car, use your car, and enjoy your car. Alright? Do well to share, like, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.